Legend has it that a samurai from the land of the rising sun had pledged to make lives better for one and all. He traveled far and wide seeking a new challenge, and then, one day, he reached the land of many cultures, many languages, many people. He was in India. Armed with the secrets from his home far away, the samurai was ready for what lay ahead. He knew he'd have to improvise, adapt, overcome, for this land was nothing like he'd ever seen before. He saw the unique potential of India. The samurai had a trick or two up his sleeve that could help unlock it. He was the master of his art after all. He fell in love with the land and its people. In no time, he knew that he'd found a new home. He intensified the practice of his art in India for India because he was here on a quest to improve people's lives with the help of innovation and technology. The samurai is now ready to open the world to the possibilities of a new future with the promise of a better life, a better world.
Panasonic.